Get amazing meals ready in no time with this stylish induction hob from Zanussi, which has fantastic features for swift results. There are 4 induction zones for safe and responsive cooking that can accommodate pans of different sizes, perfect whether you're cooking a little or a lot. Zanussi's intelligent AutoMax function boosts the power level so you can reach your chosen temperature faster. Simply press the P icon on your hob and select the heat level you want. The cooking zone will reach the highest temperature before dropping to your chosen setting for the remainder of the cooking time. Now when you need a quick snack, you'll have a delicious meal ready in no time. The handy PowerBoost function means you can heat food fast. Simply select the highest power level and select the PowerBoost setting. This increases heat to the cooking zone by 50%, so you'll have great results in half the time. It's perfect if you need a quick bite for a last-minute guest. If you're looking for an induction hob with fantastic features to give you swift results, this stylish model from Zanussi is the perfect one for you.